The Render In plugin starts with a 3D layer and allows you to generate photoreal images for integration into the Photoshop project. The filter can generate a single image layer, or it can produce and return a multi-layer group. The Render to Layers function allows you to modify each aspect of your rendering. The layers are grouped into two categories: color compositing layers and masks and selection layers. We're going to use the retail setting.psd document that we used in the match in example. Let's delete the 3D layer that contains the Aquo Soda Pop point of purchase display. We still have our 3D layer with the vanishing point grids. Make sure that layer is selected, and then go to Filters, Strata Design 3D In, Render In. We're going to insert the Aquo Shoe point of purchase from the Aquo tab of the Resource palette. You'll notice this model has a built-in spotlight to add more dramatic effect to the final rendering. Since we have those spotlights built into the model, we can go to the Environment palette, select the global light source, and click Delete. Position this model in a desired location on the floor using the Move and Rotate tools. Holding down the Option key or the Alt key, when you drag, it will create a copy. Make several copies and position those around the floor. When you're done positioning them, you'll create the final rendering by selecting the Render tool at the bottom of the tool palette. Select Best and Final. Then click the Camera tool in the scene to start rendering. This will take a minute or two to render, so let's skip ahead and show you the final version. When the rendering is finished, click on the Return to Photoshop button. The untitled image rendering is what we want, so we click Send Image. You'll notice a multi-layer group containing all the elemental images used to create the final image. And you'll also have a layer group, masks, and selection. Let's hide the 3D vanishing point layer so we can see the original photograph. Find the layer group, Reflected, and adjust the opacity to around 25%. You'll see that gives us a nice real reflection. And from here, you can use any of these layers to adjust the properties of your scene.